time of year again. Yes, Teacher Appreciation Week is coming up soon. And what better way of saying thank you? Thank you for all your hard work. Thank you for working countless hours without getting paid for all those hours, might I add. Thank you for giving your all. What better way to say thank you for all of that than some really fun and cute Teacher Appreciation gifts? Let me start off by saying, if you're a teacher, a mom, a homeschooling teacher, an administrator, let me just start off by saying thank you for all that you do in order to shape the future. Once again, let me remind you that all the links to all the products that you will see here today are down below in the description. Now, I definitely want to start off by sharing one of my favorite quotes, and it says, "A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love for learning." I just wanted to start with that. And what better way to show a teacher that you appreciate them than a small token? Small tokens of appreciation can certainly go a long way. So whether you are a parent trying to gift your child's teacher something for Teacher Appreciation Week, or even an administrator that has to give your entire staff something for Teacher Appreciation Week, this video is for you. Or maybe you're just a teacher wanting to share this video so that you can get some really cute Teacher Appreciation gifts. So today, let me give you 15 really fun and effective Teacher Appreciation gifts in under 5 minutes. Are you ready? We have not started the timer yet. And go. All right, our first idea is the candy-filled mug. And what you're going to do is get a teacher-quoted mug, such as the world's best teacher. And then you're going to fill that mug with your teacher's favorite candy. The next gift idea is a teacher tumbler. And I love tumblers because they not only keep your drinks hot, but they also keep your drinks cold. So what better way of saying thank you, I appreciate you, than an insulated cup that says best teacher ever. Now, the next gift idea is a calendar teacher planner. The one thing I love about this planner is that teachers can use it for both personal and work. Now, this planner automatically includes personal information for them to use, also substitute information, grading information, notes, graph sheets, and even stickers. The next gift idea is a customized picture frame. You guys, I love really sentimental moments. One precious gift that I still remember to this day is when I had a student simply give me a picture frame of me and them. I still have it in my office. So what better way of saying thank you, I appreciate you, than a customized picture frame? The next thing you can do is gift a teacher a learning board, one that's already done. This interactive learning board is perfect for teachers that are preschool teachers, pre-K teachers, kindergarten teachers, and even first grade teachers. I actually sell these boards. I sell the printouts, and I even make these boards for people. So these are perfect for the classroom. It not only adds to the classroom environment, but it will also help them be an even more effective teacher. Now, the next gift idea is the gift that keeps on giving. And this is a $25 Visa gift card. You can literally use Visa gift cards anywhere. Now, the next gift idea is actually having a teaching shirt, something that they can wear both in and outside the classroom. This is one of my shirts that I sell that says wake, pray, teach, period. Give them swag. You can either put this swag on a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. Once again, the link is down below in the description. All right, so the next gift idea that you can gift a teacher is a desk decor. Pretty much this little pencil pouch. I love it. It's so cute. You can put pencils, erasers, pens, rulers, scissors, whatever it is that they have on their desk. It says, "It takes a big heart to help shape little minds." And every time they go to their desk, they'll simply think of you. Now, the next gift idea are body smell good. Add a special touch to this. Write a note, a thank you note, just thanking them for all that they have done, and then attach the note to this wonderful Bath and Body Works gift set. Now, the next gift is a gift that I actually received when I used to teach preschool, and I still have it to this day. But you can always gift a teacher a teacher tote bag. This bag says the influence of a great teacher can never be erased. These bags are perfect because they can literally take that bag bag to and from work. The next gift idea is actually having a teaching gift box. It's literally like the gift that keeps on giving, because they open up the box and voila! I actually have 2 gift boxes for you to look at. This gift box has candles, key rings, socks, a mug, and even a little plaque. There's a second gift box that literally includes a little mini tumbler, a mug, a bookmark, and even a pouch. You can literally give them a pencil with their name on it that they can add in their home, office, or even in their classroom. Now, all of us teachers love to be modern and fashionable. So what better way of saying thank you than giving them a really cute, fashionable, and modern day bracelet? This bracelet says it takes a big heart to teach little minds, and it is perfect to wear with any outfit. We can't talk about having a really cute bracelet without talking about giving them a really cute teacher necklace. I'm going to give you 2 necklace ideas. This necklace is actually a faith-based necklace resembling a cross, and it says teacher. And then it has a really cute quote about the influence of a teacher. If you're dealing with a teacher that's not religious, you can always give them this necklace that has a picture of a compass, and it just says, plant seeds of knowledge that grow forever. Thank you for helping us grow. Now, some teachers are a little bit more into nature, and what better way of saying thank you than giving them a plant? This plant says, thank you for helping me bloom, and it will continue to grow with them. Well, did I do a good job? Did I make under 5 minutes? Happy Teacher Appreciation Week to all the teachers out there. And don't forget, all the links to all of these amazing teacher appreciation gifts are down below in the description. I can't wait to hear what you will gift your teacher and say thank you. Teaching can be so complicated, no matter if you're teaching in the classroom or at home. So why not make it simple? That means you need to watch this video next, where I break down exactly how you can make teaching simple. See you in that video.